Le conditionnel passé, the past conditional, also known as the conditional perfect. When is the past conditional used? Whenever you want to say would plus the present perfect, such as for example would have done, could plus the present perfect, such as could have done, or should plus the present perfect, such as should have done, you need to use the past conditional in French. The past conditional is used to talk about what would have happened if something else had happened or been different. For example, s'il avait fait beau, nous serions sortis. If it had been sunny, we would have gone out. The past conditional is also used to talk about what one would have liked to happen, do, or have. For example, j'aurais aimé avoir un chien. I would have liked to have a dog. Il aurait aimé te rencontrer. He would have liked to meet you. The past conditional is also used to talk about regrets or to reproach somebody. In other words, it is used to say should plus the present perfect. For example, tu aurais dû m'en parler. You should have talked to me about it. J'aurais dû me plaindre. I should have complained. The past conditional is also used to talk about unverified facts, particularly in the news. For example, il y aurait eu un grave accident. Apparently, there has been a serious accident. How is the past conditional formed? The past conditional is formed with two parts: an auxiliary verb, either être or avoir, conjugated in the present conditional, and a past participle. Here's the verb être conjugated in the present conditional: je serai, tu serais, il serait, nous serions, vous seriez, il serait. And here's the verb avoir in the present conditional: j'aurais, tu aurais, il aurait, nous aurions, vous auriez, ils auraient. Remember though, the verb être or avoir in the present conditional is only the first part of the past conditional. The second part is a past participle. So, for example, the verb chanter, to sing, in the past conditional is j'aurais chanté, I would have sung. Tu aurais chanté, you would have sung. Il aurait chanté, he would have sung. Nous aurions chanté, we would have sung. Vous auriez chanté, you would have sung. Ils auraient chanté, they would have sung. And here is the second group verb finir, to finish or to end, in the past conditional. J'aurais fini, I would have finished. Tu aurais fini, you would have finished. Il aurait fini, he would have finished. Nous aurions fini, we would have finished. Vous auriez fini, you would have finished. Ils auraient fini, they would have finished. If you need to learn how to form the past participle, click here. In the past conditional, most past participles use avoir as their helping verb. When using avoir, the past participle agrees in number and gender with the preceding direct object. If the sentence has no direct object, the past participle stays in its default form. So here's an example with no direct object. Manger, to eat. Il aurait mangé. Elle aurait mangé. Ils auraient mangé. Elles auraient mangé. Notice that because we're using avoir and there is no direct object, manger has remained the same in the masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Here's an example with the preceding direct object les, meaning them, referring to the feminine plural word cherries. Il les aurait mangées. Elle les aurait mangées. Il les aurait mangées. Elle les aurait mangées. These sentences translate to he, she, and they would have eaten them. Because we're using avoir as our helping verb, manger agrees with les and not the subject. We have said that les refers to cherries, which in French is a feminine plural word, and therefore that is the reason we have added es at the end of the past participle manger. On the other hand, when using être as the helping verb, the past participle agrees in number and gender with the subject. So for example, arriver, to arrive, in the past conditional is il serait arrivé, elle serait arrivée, il serait arrivé, elle serait arrivée. These sentences mean he, she, they would have arrived. Notice that when using être as your helping verb, you need to add e to the past participle if the subject is feminine and s if the subject is plural. Verbs using être as their helping verb usually express movement. Aside from pronominal verbs, which all use être as their helping verb, only 17 verbs use the auxiliary verb être. The verbs using être are aller, to go, arriver, to arrive, descendre, to go down, devenir, to become, entrer, to go in, monter, to go up, mourir, to die, naître, to be born, partir, to leave, passer, to pass by, rentrer, to go home, rester, to stay, retourner, to go back, revenir, to come back, sortir, to go out, tomber, to fall, venir, to come. However, descendre, monter, passer, rentrer, retourner, and sortir use avoir when the sentence has a direct object. However, the meaning of the verb changes slightly. When used with avoir, descendre means to take down instead of to go down. Monter means to take up instead of to go up. Passer means to spend time and not to pass by. Rentrer means to bring in and not to go home. Retourner means to turn over and not to go back. Sortir means to take out and not to go out. So here's an example with a verb that can be used with both être and avoir. Je serais sorti hier soir, mais I would have gone out last night, but j'aurais sorti la poubelle, mais I would have taken the bin out, but. Here are the links to my grammar, vocabulary, culture and pronunciation playlists if you're interested. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, requests or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget, you can also contact me on Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. Bye!